Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram. Started. So if you want to quickly unfollow everyone in your Instagram account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on the profile icon, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on account center. After tapping on account center, you have to tap on your information and permissions and then tap on download your information. After tapping on download your information, now what you can do is just simply tap on download or transfer information which is on the top and then select your Instagram. After selecting your Instagram, now what you can do is just simply tap on some of your information, and after tapping on some of your information, now you just have to scroll down and then select this option which is followers and following and then tap on continue. After tapping on next, now what you can do is just simply tap on download to device. After tapping on download to device, what you can do is just select the range. So here you can find its date range. What you can do is just simply set that to 1 week or any customized date that you like. After selecting the date range, what you can do is just simply tap on notify, and now you have to select email address, and whenever your data is available to download, then you will be notified in your email address. So just select the email address and then select a file format. You can also select the media quality. After doing all that, what you can do is just simply tap on create file, and now Instagram will start creating a file, and after a few minutes you will receive an email in your Gmail account. So simply open up your Gmail. After opening up your Gmail application, here you can see I have received a mail from Instagram. So here you can see thank you for requesting a copy of information. Once we are finished creating this file, we will send you another email to let you know they are ready to download to a mobile device or computer. So here you can see. Now if you want to download this, what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is download your information. After tapping on download your information, now it will take you to the same page from where you can download your information. So just scroll down, and here is the file that we have created. So simply tap on download, and after tapping on download, you have to enter your account's password and then tap on download. So after entering your account's password, just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, now you can download a copy. So here you can see my copy has been successfully downloaded. So what I'll do is just simply open up my files, and after opening up your files, just head over to your downloads and then extract this file by tapping on extract. And after extracting your file, now what you will do is you will find these following files inside that extracted file. So what you have to do is just head over to your following and then tap on update and then select email address. After doing that, here you can see all your followings. So now if you want to quickly unfollow someone, what you can do is just select that person. After selecting that person, now it will take you to that person's profile, and you can just simply tap on unfollow and then quickly unfollow that person. So just simply tap on following and then tap on unfollow. So by following the steps, you can quickly unfollow anyone in your Instagram. So that's it guys, this is how to quickly unfollow everyone in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.